All right, so example number 5. It wants us to take this table and it wants us to write the standard form. It wants us to write ax plus by equals c. Now, we don't know how to take this table and write it like this, but we know how to take the table and write slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So let's find the slope. And then, let's find the slope first. So, change in y over change in x. So that's plus 1, and this is plus 3. You can tell that it's the same. And remember, this is a line. Like, for sure it's a line. So you don't have to do, like, more than once. Like, just do what you need to find the answer. So positive over positive is a positive 1 over 3. Now we need to find the y-intercept. So that is, remember, that's 0 comma something. So I need to go back 3 this time. So instead of plus 3, I need to do minus 3. And instead of plus 1, I need to do minus 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So my b is negative 2. So I can go ahead and write my equation as y equals 1/3 x minus 2. All right, so let's go ahead and convert this slope-intercept into ax plus by equals c. So times 3. So 3 times y is 3y. A positive times a positive is a positive. 3 times 1 is 3 divided by 3 is 1. X, a positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times 2 is 6. All right, let's get these x's over here. So we get negative 1x plus 3y equals negative 6. This is negative, so I need to multiply everything by negative 1. That looks like an exponent, so I'm just going to do times negative 1. So a negative times a negative is a positive 1x. A negative times a positive is a negative 3y. And a negative times a negative is a positive 6. Okay. So this is my standard form of the line with these solutions, the equation with these solutions. So let's prove it. I'm going to take this, which is 1x minus 3y, or x minus 3y equals 6. And I'm going to choose, I don't know, I'm going to choose, since this is kind of far away, 15 and 3. So 15 and 3. So that's my x, that's my y. So that'll be 15. And that will be 3. Sounds good. Well, let me correct that 3. Do a little better than that. Okay. I don't know why that bothered me so much. So we get 1x minus 3y should equal 6. 1 times 15 is 15. Negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 3 is 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 6 does in fact equal 6. I'm actually going to write this part a little bit better. 15 minus 9 is 6, which equals 6. All right, let's do one more. So once again, we know how to write the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And so let's find the slope. So for it, change in y, change in x. 14 minus 3 is 11. 4 plus 4 is 8. So my slope, a negative over positive, is a negative 3 over 4. And then my y-intercept, so I need to get to 0, so 12. So I need to get 0. There's space for it there. So that's up 4, I need to go back 4. And instead of -3, I need to go +3. 14 plus 3 is 17. So my y-intercept, my b, is 17. So I get y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 17. And get rid of the fraction, times 4. 4 times y is 4y. And then a positive times a negative is a negative. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. A positive times a positive is a positive. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. So 4 times 17 is 68. Whoa. Can't write my 8 for some reason. It's good enough. And I need to move these x's or get rid of them over here. So 3x plus 4y equals 68. And I can't divide, like I can divide this one by 3, but I can't divide this one by 3. So I'm done there. And this is positive, so I don't have to multiply by -1. Cool. So let's do some proof. 3x. Well, let's choose one first. I don't know. I'm just going to choose this one because it's furthest away. I won't confuse people looking at the notes. So 12, 8. This is x and this is y. And let's substitute. Well, let's write this first. 3x plus 4y equals 68. And the x is 12. And the y is 8. I don't know why that's starting to look so weird. I guess that's better. Okay, so we get 3 times 12 plus 4 times 8 should give me 68. 3 times 12 is 36. A positive times a positive is a positive. 4 times 8 is 32. And 36 plus 32 is at 68. And that is it. Thank you.